Hi, it's Angeline here. I'm back with another crafty video with Unity stamp, and today I'm going to show you how I colored this rainbow heart flowers. So first, I've already stamped this beautiful stamp by Gracefully Design and Unity stamp called Love and Be Loved, and I'm using my Prisma color pencils here to color in the flowers. You can use any color pencils that you have or any markers that you have. So I'm starting off right in the middle here with some pink color. I'm grabbing a light pink and just doing short strokes right in the inner and outer petal. As you can see, I'm leaving a white gap in between. And next, I'm just going to use the darker pink here and doing the same thing with the short strokes in the inner and outer petal, hence creating kind of like a shading and a gradient for the flower. Next, I'm gonna color all the other flowers in using the colors that are close to each color so that it does not clash, and hence creating a rainbow heart flower. Here is my finished card. I also added some bling to my card, and I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!